begin, you will need a marker, cling wrap, tape, scissors. Step 1. Cover the bald area with cling wrap. Twist both ends of the cling wrap. Keep the cling wrap tight. Step 2. Determine where the front hairline starts and trace the outline of the bald area. Mark the front hairline. Trace the outline of the bald area. Step 3. Tape all over the template. Press the entire area to make sure the tape is as smooth as possible. Step 4. Cut out and label the template. Untie the cling wrap and remove the template from your client's head. Cut the template out and leave a half-inch buffer outside. Mark the F. Step 5. Place the template back to double check if it fits properly. Step 6. Send the template to us. Mail your template to Bono Hair Factory.